Hello, this is Reggie Osenton, Florida probate attorney, and today I want to answer the question of what is a contested estate. In Florida, that could be a number of things, but a contested estate is one where there is some type of a dispute, as opposed to, thankfully, most estates we go through the probate process, and it takes a while, but there's really no disputed issues. It's just we have to go through the process to gather up the assets, pay the bills of the decedent, the deceased person, and then ultimately distribute the assets. However, from time to time, disputes arise. That could be maybe the heirs are disputing, they're fighting for whatever reason. Maybe there's a stepmother involved, stepchildren, where there's no love lost between them and they're fighting over the assets, or the children are fighting amongst themselves. Or maybe there's a situation where there's at least one person who doesn't like what the will says and they want to dispute it. And, common sense tells us it takes two people to fight. Well, that's not really true. It takes one person to fight. If one person wants to dispute a will, then there's going to be a fight. It could be where the person says that mom or dad wasn't in their right mind when they changed the will 3 days before they died. It could be that your brother and sister unduly influenced them. They were in a weakened state and took advantage. It could be a dispute with creditors. There could be, say, a hospital is filing a bill that is disputed. So with a little bit of imagination, you can come up with 1,000 reasons why an estate would be contested. However, here's the point. Whenever there is a contested estate, you should have an attorney looking out for your interest. If you're the personal representative and you're trying to administer the estate, you need someone looking out for your interest. If you're an heir, or even if you're a creditor, and the estate is disputed, have an attorney who knows Florida probate, who also knows the litigation process, because this is litigation. It's my stock advice. Try to work things out with your family, because however the case ends up, you are going to be family when it's all over with. So try to work it out. But if you can't and you need to fight, then we'll fight. But again, you need an attorney who will represent you, who knows Florida probate, who knows Florida litigation process. Again, this is Reggie Osenton, Florida probate attorney. Hope that helps.